I heard Coach Price, head coach, Calabar High School. First of all, unfortunate result at home court. Speak to us about how you're feeling right now.
A little bit disappointed. The way we lost the game was very unfortunate. A goalkeeping blunder, But, we're not going to kill the players. They're young, they're inexperienced, and things like these happen. We just have to get ourselves ready for the next game, and we just have to shake it off quickly. We have KC in another 2 days, so we'll have to just get ourselves ready in the next 48 hours. We are playing at home, and we have to get 3 points. So we just have to get out there and get the job done.
Yeah, man, coming into today, you know that this would have been an important game for the standing of the group, Both teams competing for that one spot to go through. What were you telling the boys coming into this game?
No, it was a must-win game. Worse that we're playing at home. We definitely had to come here and press the initiative. And I think we did that early in the first 20 minutes. But then after that, we kind of slacked off and got a little bit too relaxed. When we went down to 10 men, and we believe that we could have taken the game at that time, and it's at that point now that they got that unfortunate goal and kind of just changed the complexion of the game, and we're always chasing after that. But it's a learning experience. I think they gave as good as they got, and they fought hard out there.
Hostile crowd today, even towards your own. The crowd was beating the goalkeeper. What would you say to a young player like that? After making an error, costing the team a couple of points, getting it from the fans.
You have to cling to the team. Cling to the team and the technical staff, and they are the support base. They'll continue to support you. We know that he didn't do it purposefully, so we are going to have to support him and continue to build him.
All right, going forward, 4 more games to complete the zone. What do you think is out there for Calabar in this zone and going forward?
We have to win the rest of our games. It's as simple as that. All games from now on is a must-win game. So we have to treat all the games for the remainder of the season as must-win games.
All right, Coach. Unfortunate result, but good game to you.
Thank you.